Welcome to the OSA Connect app tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the electronic signature feature to sign your contract forms, specifically for state agencies requiring GSD CRB approval. Let's get started. Once your contract has been approved by the Office of the State Auditor, it is time to sign the contract electronically using the OSA Connect e-signature function. Start by navigating to the View Contacts Form page. Locate your contract. It should show an Approved status. In the Action column, click the e-sign link to begin the signing process. A pop-up window will appear. Click the e-signature button to continue. You'll now see the signature configuration window. Here, enter the name and email address for each required signer based on their title. This includes your agency contact, your IPA, your Chief Financial Officer or CFO, your General Counsel, your TRD representative, and your GSD representative. All 6 fields must be completed before you can proceed. Once all signer information is entered, click the red Send button to initiate the signature process. Your contract will now have a submitted status. Each signer will receive an email from the OSA with a secure link to sign the contract. Signatures will be collected in the order required by GSD. Each signer will have the ability to preview the contract and will need to check the e-signature consent box, type in their name, and their title. Once they have signed, they will need to click the Sign and Approve button. OSA Connect will then inform them that their signature has been received. Signature emails will be sent out and collected in the order required by GSD. Each signer will be able to view who has already signed before them. After all parties have signed, the contract status on the View Contracts Form page will update from submitted to executed. Each signer will also receive a confirmation email with a link to view, print, or download the fully signed contract. Agency users can additionally view or print the executed contract by returning to the View Contracts Forms page and clicking Contract in the Action column. You'll see all signatures and the date each party signed on the executed contract. And that's it! You've successfully completed the electronic signature process in OSA Connect. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to our help desk at helpdesk@osa.nm.gov. Thank you for watching.